Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of what it's like to own a planner sticker shop. I own an Etsy shop and also I'm on Shopify. It's stickysituationsco.com, but everything will be linked down below. So most days I start out my day with a cup of tea. I normally pick either Irish breakfast or English breakfast, and then I add some almond milk, and that is my morning drink that I like to start out with just to help me wake up and get going before I have to get to my desk and start working on stuff. And this particular day I had quite a few orders. I had a sale over the weekend, so I had a lot to do and I needed energy. So the first thing that I'm showing you guys is my print list. So I go ahead and I go through the orders. I write out the stuff that I need to print. I had a lot of stuff already printed and already cut, so that was nice, but I did have a few things to print for a few orders, and then I just go and open the file and send it to print. So I just sent it off to the printer, and now I'm waiting on the printer to print. This is a Canon. I don't remember the model number, but I'm fairly certain that this one has been discontinued, so you wouldn't even be able to buy it in stores anyway. But if you're wondering what printer I use a Canon printer. I would highly recommend Canon printers. This one's been great. I've had it for the 3 years that I've been in business, and it just has really nice quality. I've tried other like higher end printers, and I just always come back to this one because the ink is much cheaper and you still get a really great quality with this printer. So I'm like, why pay more when I could still have really good quality and not have to charge a ton of money for my stickers. So yeah, I recommend Canon printers if you guys are wondering. There's not much more I could say about that really. The next step in the sticker making process is to send it to my silhouette machine. I use a Silhouette Cameo. I actually have 3 of them, but I'm just showing you one right now. They're all the same. So and it just cuts the stickers. I really like this machine, but let me tell you, some days they want to misbehave, act all crazy. So not every day is like butterflies and rainbows, you know? Some days you want to throw these machines out the window, but I really do love them. So I decided to print and cut some labels for my packaging, and while I'm doing that, I'm watching YouTube. And normally the lid would be up on this Cameo, but I've got to get Velcro to keep it up. But I figured I'd show you guys that, and shout out to the Crazy Life because I was watching her cleaning products video. Now it is time to package. So I'm taking this label. It has all of my shop information, a coupon code, all that jazz. And I'm putting this on a cello bag. The camera wouldn't focus for whatever reason, so you guys didn't see what it said, but it's just my shop info. And then I'm getting the August kit that I just cut. I put it with the invoice, but obviously I'm not going to show you that. It has personal information as well as customer information, but I'm taking that and I'm putting it in the cello bag, and then I'm going to be getting some freebies. Normally I only put one freebie in each order, but I had a bunch of leftover freebies from a sale that I was in the weekend before, and I'm just trying to get rid of those because people sent them to me, so I want samplers from other shops to be used, if that makes sense. I don't want to just throw them away. So I kind of did my own sale this weekend, and I said the first 15 orders will get a freebie pack. So that is why there's so many freebies with this order. Normally though, it's just a freebie from my shop and it's just like one freebie. But if I'm like in a sale, a lot of times I'll swap with other shop owners. So, you know, and sometimes I'll get like, 25 or to 50 samplers, but like I won't get that many orders in the sale. So I have leftovers, and this time I just happen to have leftovers. So that's why. That was a very long explanation. I'm sorry, you guys. Once I've done that, I just seal up the cellophane bag and then I put it aside. I normally put it with the invoice. I didn't this time just because I didn't want you guys to see the invoice, but that's normally what I do. And then after I did that, my other page had stopped cutting, so I wanted to show you guys just me removing the stickers from the cutting mat. Normally it's like really hard to get up because normally they're really sticky. This one has been used a lot, so it's a little bit easier, but you have to be super careful when they're really sticky. Alright guys, now I'm just showing me packaging up more orders. I'm just going to speed through this little montage, but I did want to show you guys, I guess, just different orders, you guys can see like the different stickers that I offer and stuff like that. Just the different ways that I do it and whatever. So we'll speed through this real quick. So after I finish packing all the orders, I will put them with their invoices, print off shipping labels, and then package them up in their envelopes. For obvious reasons, I can't really show you that, but you get the idea. It's pretty, straightforward and you understand. So yeah, and then I take those to the post office later in the day. And then I'm gonna start designing for the week. I typically like to have new releases up every Friday or every other Friday, depending on how things are going, how busy I am. So I'm giving you a brief little shot of what it's like to design. But if you guys want to see a more in-depth video, let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these type of videos or want to see more, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know that. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload so you won't miss a video. Go ahead and do that if you like what you see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.